As sea level rise leads to more problems with flooding in our area, cities are working to be proactive and fight the rising threat. In Norfolk, a grant from the city is helping organizations repurpose rainwater and head off flooding before it happens. On a rainy day next to an auto shop on a busy road in Norfolk, this may not be what you'd expect to see.
These are the landscape trainees, and they are cleaning up our urban farm.
We first told you about Eggleston Urban Farm in 2018, just as the land was cleared. Since then, volunteers and trainees have harvested a bounty.
Carrots, cabbage, bok choy, fennel.
Garden Center Manager Peter Bergstrom says the goals for the project go far beyond produce.
Eggleston's main mission is to provide training and job opportunities for adults with disabilities.
The urban garden is fulfilling another mission, fighting flooding in Norfolk.
Those are 4 tanks. They're each 275 gallons, and they catch all the rain that is coming off the building roof.
That keeps the rain from flooding lots and streets and cuts back on water usage.
So far, we've had it since April of 2018, and we haven't had the supplement from any city water.
A $2,000 grant from the city's resilience budget paid for part of the rain cashment system.
It's kind of the keystone for making this project happen. There's another one coming up, which could be an awesome opportunity for somebody else in Norfolk.
Nonprofits, neighborhoods, and civic leagues are all welcome to apply for the Retain Your Rain grant to create your own solution to the city's flooding problem. The deadline to apply is March 1st. Find a link to the application on WAVY.com.